at the spot. I'll pick up the control board for the trolling motor. Call said it was ready. Let's go see what's up. Got my board. Got the connector on there. They epoxied it. And the traces are, hey man, whatever. So long as it works. Oh, the epoxy might be in the way of me plugging it in. I don't want to break it. GPS. All right, I'm gonna hook the battery up and see if it works. Tighten it, yeah, just do hand tight, just in case. Okay, we got power. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's normal. I think. But I do need to program it. So, I don't know. Let's see. That's 5 beeps. That's not what you want. Yep, I'm putting it all back together. Another fail. Damn it, man. Ugh. So close. Yep, so that's the connector, but with the epoxy, it was kind of hard to plug in. And I think it might have shifted. It didn't work. I went back and forth with myself, debating whether or not I wanted to take it back and let them resolder it, or if I was just gonna direct solder some wires. I just decided to cut my losses. I ordered a replacement board. It should be here in a day or two. It's off. Once it gets here, I'm just gonna replace the entire board.